Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about discipline. Yes, it's very important that discipline is essential part of this education process. If there is no discipline, then teaching cannot happen. If there is no discipline, institution cannot produce the good learners, yeah, good nurses in their institution. So definitely, institution is essential part of our educational process. Now, the definition of a discipline. A discipline is a training that it's a process which make the individual become more perfect, orderliness, obedient and self-control. Now discipline teach the individual to become more perfect towards their goal and they can achieve what they want in their life. So that for all the achievements, for all the success of learners life, they want a discipline in their life. Now, the characteristic of discipline. Discipline has got its own content. A discipline has got its own subject. Each subject matter, the discipline varies. Some areas we need to learn the things with the help of laboratories. Some we need to learn with the library method. Some we need to learn with the help of patients. Yeah, live interactive learning session. So, a discipline has got its own subject content. A discipline has got its own field of learning. If you're learning something in biology, like something related to animal, then it is zoology. Something related to the plant is related to botany. Now, learning is important which take place in institution. For that we want discipline, and this discipline has got its own investigation. Like researcher are doing the research. If you are doing a research on a chemistry, you need to work in the chemistry lab. If you're doing something on physics, you need to work in the physics lab. See, it require a investigation part. A discipline is essential for all the learners as well as to the teachers. It doesn't mean that only students should be disciplined. It is very important. A teacher also should be disciplined. So these all are the different characteristic of discipline. Next, the type. The type of discipline, natural and supernatural discipline. In natural discipline, compulsory discipline, personality discipline, or a social discipline. In compulsive or discipline, in compulsive means compulsory. That means certain rules and regulation. When that rules or regulation are there, individual is following that and they are disciplined. But once you remove that rules, there is no discipline. We cannot give assurity that continuously you are behaving as per the rules. Once it is removed, it doesn't mean that you may behave same like how you behave before. See, this is what called compulsory. See, when we go to the school, okay, you need to reach school at 9 o'clock. So definitely you need to wake up at 6 o'clock to finish all the work and be ready on time and reach on time. But when it is Sunday, it doesn't mean that Sunday also you'll get up at 6 o'clock. See, there was a compulsory rules that all the day, weekdays, Monday to Saturday, you have to go to the schools. That's why you got up at 6 o'clock. Sunday, no school, you may not get up. See, this is what compulsory rules. When there is compulsory, you'll behave so. But when there is the rule is removed, it cannot give a guarantee that you behave in that same way. Next is social rules. Now, social discipline, which means certain social norms, beliefs, culture, tradition that will bring certain kind of self-control in an individual. A personality discipline where individual has that feelings, a tendency, I must be disciplined, I should do my work. They are taking their self-responsibility, then that is called independent, personalized discipline. Next is supernatural discipline. That means this discipline is related to God. They are having that God fear. God may punish me so that I should not do any wrong thing. See, because of this, you are like streamlining your behavior. This is because of supernatural power. Then here, teacher also need to have this kind of behavior so that she will be the role model for her student. So students acquire a knowledge from her teacher. So student are following their teacher. So teacher need to be trained, teacher need to be streamlined, teacher need to be disciplined in their personality. So this is the important types of personality. Next, importance of disciplines. Now, discipline is important so that learning will take place. Discipline is important so the teacher can take the class. Discipline is important so that students can sit and listen the class. Discipline will provoke thinking and learning process. Discipline will mold your behavior. Discipline make your behavior socially accepted. Discipline help you to develop a good character. Discipline develop good personality in individual. Discipline will create a good atmosphere. If you are having a good discipline, definitely your surrounding should be with the good atmosphere. When you have a bad discipline, bad behavior, then definitely you will have a bad atmosphere, bad friendship, bad what is that, contact with the other people. So definitely discipline play a important role. Then discipline also make the individual to acquire knowledge. It enhance the knowledge of individual. Discipline help to make you a perfect so that you're working towards your goal. Discipline help you to be more punctual in your work. Discipline make you work hard so that you are taking a self responsibility of your learning process. So that's the reason we want discipline. Now, what are the causes to develop these discipline problems? How we will develop issues, problems with this discipline? One is because of a poor teaching. A teacher is not so experienced and teacher don't know how to control the class and take the class. So students may lose the interest. Teacher doesn't know how to present the topic, then students will be like not give importance to the subject and they will be in their own world. So they are not disciplined. Problem when there is overcrowding. In class, there are more than 60, 80, 90, 100, 120 students. Then with whom you will focus? How do you focus on the student? How do you focus on the subject? Not possible. You cannot concentrate on the students. That also will lead to discipline problem. And when there is a social stigma problems, they may have a effect that if this teacher comes, she is very papa, we can do anything. If that teacher comes, she is very strict, we need to follow the discipline. Is such kind of social behavior which tend to cause discipline problem in students. Also, some bad teachers, when the teacher, she don't have a morale, she is not disciplined, she is not taking class, she is not bothered about the education process, then definitely students also will learn the same quality from the teacher. Then your bad environment. When your environment is not so good, like you are having a relationship with the criminals, antisocial personality, you are so, what is that, gambling or using some substance abusers. Now all these issues will bring impact on your discipline of your personal life. You are not disciplined because of your environmental factors. And when there is no teaching disciplines, when there is a teacher don't find discipline in the class, definitely learning will not take place. Teacher may be spending whole day in controlling the students, then there is no learning happens in the class. Also, some kind of politics. If your politics matter, social conflicts enter inside the class, then that will disturb your discipline. So always keep politics away from the education so that we will have a good learning process. So this is what are the problems causes for this indiscipline, discipline problems. I hope you understood. Today we discussed about discipline. Discipline is nothing but is a process where we are streamlining the individual, making them to more obedient, orderliness and systematic way of performance behavior. Type of discipline, natural and supernatural discipline, and we discussed about characteristics, importance of discipline and causes problems because how it discipline problems are arising. I hope you understood. You may get 2-3 marks questions. Please keep reading so that you are able to write all these answers. I hope you understood. I'll see you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you.